Matt Santagapita from the Santa Sells Houses team, and this is another episode of our Money Market Update. As you can see from me moving my hand there's this weird little blue thing on my hand. I was shucking oysters on the weekend, and I put the oyster shucker through my hand. So that's what this is, if anybody's wondering. Anyways, let's jump into the numbers because I think they're getting interesting. So new listings for the past 7 days in the City of London came in at 260, conditionals at 59, and solds at 86. Now, the interesting number here is the number of new listings that we're seeing. We haven't seen this year this type of a number. This is the first time this year in our Monday Market Update that we've crossed the 250 new listings. We're at 260. So I think what that's showing us is what to expect this fall, which is, and we have seen this across Canada, is an increase in listings. So we are seeing a lot of listings. Now, I would also say, with that being said, it's kind of the wrong listings that we're seeing. And what I mean by that is they're not in the most desirable price points or the most active price points. Our most active price points generally fall between that 400, in kind of like mid 700,000 range. That's just where affordability really lies for most people. Once you get up into the $1 million mark, it just becomes hard for affordability unless you have a huge down payment. So we're going to see this fall most likely an increase of listings. We're going to probably see a lot of those listings being at the higher price point, and they're going to take quite a bit longer to sell. Now, hopefully we do see some monetary easing with interest rates sometime soon here from the Bank of Canada, but who knows? Maybe we will, maybe we won't. That might come next year. But yeah, it's been a very interesting fall market so far, with the Bank of Canada pausing rates the other week. I will say that we have seen an uptick in activity, but again, in those lower price points that we've seen the uptick of activity. It's definitely been noticeable. More people, I think, are confident. However, they're not confident at the $1 million mark. I mean, they are within reason, but not the overall market. The vast majority of people shopping for homes are still within that 400 to 750, maybe 800 range. And then once you cross that, it does get a little quieter. So again, it's Matt Santagapita from the Santa Sells Houses team. Let's see what this fall brings, but I got a feeling we're going to see listings up. And I do think we're going to be seeing sales activity kind of plateau here. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.